Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been playing Shop Titans for a while, you already know how valuable gems are in the game. But recently I kept seeing people online talking about a mobile hack that supposedly lets you add more gems to your Shop Titans account using just your phone. According to the posts, you don't need a computer or any complicated setup. It's just a quick process and you're good to go. Now whenever something like that starts trending, I'm always a little skeptical. Most of the time these methods sound great, but don't actually work the way people claim. So instead of just ignoring it, I decided to try it myself. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I tested and what happened in the end. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. Once I got to the site, I used the search bar to look up the Shop Titans Gems hack. After opening it, the next step asked me to pick the device I'm playing on. Since I'm using Android, I chose Android, but there was also an option available for iOS players. Then I entered my player ID, checked it again to make sure everything was correct, and tapped Continue to move on to the next step. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. Alright, moment of truth. I reopened Shop Titans and immediately went to check my gems balance, and surprisingly, the extra resources were already there. I didn't have to restart the game or wait for anything to refresh. The balance updated right away, which honestly caught me off guard. Now I'm curious if any of you have tried something like this before. Let me know in the comments what happened when you tested it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more real tests like this in the future. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.